You said never let me go. 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 You said
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's me, Shreya Shrestha, and in today's video I'm going to show you a day where I eat only pink foods. And the color I'm wearing is baby pink, but it looks like white.
मैं क्या करूं फिर जॉब छोड़ दूं?
But it is actually baby pink. And so today I'll be having only healthy, vegetarian and pink color food. So I hope you will enjoy this video. So keep watching till the end. And firstly, let's go and have and make our breakfast. So for my breakfast, I said I'm going to have something pink colored. So for pink color, I'm using beetroot. And I was thinking to have smoothie, but I guess we don't have banana. So I'm going to make smoothie with oatmeal and beetroot and yogurt. So I'm extremely hungry, so I'm having this pink colored jackfruit. It's so delicious. So I'm having my smoothie bowl. Pink colored smoothie bowl, और ले लीजिए माथि बाट चिया सीड्सहरू राखेको थिएँ. And cheers. It is not that good, by the way. Like if there was banana, it would have tasted better, but since it was oats, maybe roasted oats would be better than the unroasted oats. पिङ्कफुड्सबाट स्मिताजीले क्लिप किन्नु भयो र मलाई चाहिँ कस्तो ब्लर ब्लर भयो जस्तो लाग्यो तर कस्तो राम्रो कस्तो राम्रो म हेर्न कस्तो कालो देख्छ म पनि त्यस्तो देख्दैछु कस्तो स्केरी हुँदो रहेछ मलाई खोजिस् क्या तैँले म कस्तो खुट्टा दुख्यो के It's already 7:15 and I'm super hungry. I haven't had my lunch yet. I just had the bubble tea and now I will change my dress and then I'll cook something pink colored.